So today I am not feeling called to speak very much. Today is the super full moon of September 29th. It is also Michaelmas, Michaelmas. The Archangel Michael is very present in these times and supporting humanity to build beautiful works of architecture, as well as support the awakening and unfolding of humanity. He's been present for me in these last months, dipping in and out, actually, for the past 7 years, you could say, 7-8 years of my life. And today I feel called to open up a portal of experience for you, to connect with your body, to connect with your intuition, to connect with your primal beginnings, to connect with your creative life force. And I don't want to insert too much meaning or reason into it. It is a realm that we don't often dip into in day-to-day life, but it is calling us to explore its terrain, explore its field, its worlds, to tap into your, to help tap into your unique gifts, what you came here to do on this planet as a pioneer, as a leader of the new earth, as someone who knows, who has a deep knowing that you are here to build the temples of the new earth. And I'm feeling called today to connect with a group of beings that have been very present in my energetic field and have been supporting me in creating the sacred blueprint and leading this movement for women architects and designers. They are light beings. They are also me. I am them. They speak in a language that I used to speak in. And it is a language coming from the primal beginnings. It is a language that will help awaken different parts of your body, gateways of your body, to help you remember your magic, your power, your feminine intuition, your gifts. And I invite you to stay open and receive while I transmit this language, these messages, these sounds, this information, this frequency. If you are in the middle of doing things, I invite you to pull over, park somewhere. Maybe if you have a chance to park somewhere close to a tree or a park. If you are busily multitasking, I invite you to put a pause on this video or recording and settle into a spot where you have about 10, 15, well, we'll see how long it lasts, 15 minutes to receive this transmission. So no multitasking, and stay focused and open to receive. Take a few sips of water, go to the bathroom if necessary before you receive this transmission. So I'm connecting to this frequency, to this dimension where the language that I used to speak, and perhaps you used to speak as well. I'm curious to know if this sounds familiar to you. I'm opening up this portal and connecting with this realm. And once again, to set the context, I am reaching out to these beings to receive their message for you about building the new earth, building the new temples of the new earth, what your role is as the pioneer for the future architecture. What does the future architecture need to feel and look like for you? What is your task? And what is our task as a collective humanity? What forms, what blueprints, what architecture wants to stream through in honor of humanity's unfolding, the true unfolding that is aligned with the will of Gaia, aligned with the forces of nature, aligned with the trajectory that Source, God, consciousness, the great mystery, the great spirit has intended for humanity. And so giving me just a few moments to connect here. Namo koitiwa. Hakai si nikiti takai ni namo. Hawakai nikiti takai si tinikiti takai ni namo. Hamokoi si tiwa hakai nikiti takai nikiti. Hi nakai tawa hakai si nikiti takai nikiti wa. Hanamo koiti wa hakai si tinamo koiti wa hakai nikiti. Hi tawahakai si nimo koiti wahakaiti. Hi tamokoi si ti wahakai ninamo koiti wahakai nikiti ta na ikiti namokoi si ti wahakai nikiti. Hinamokoi si ti wahakai ninamo koiti wahakai si. Na kaiti nakai si ti. Hakaiti namokoiti wahakai si tinikiti. Haini na mo koiti wahakai nikiti siti na mo koiti wahakai ni na mo iti wahakai si nikiti takai ni na mo koiti wahaka. Hai siti nikiti takai ni na mo ko 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 ko. Haia kai namo koi ti wahakai si. Ina kai ti wahakai ni na kai ni namoko. Haiki siti nikiti takai ni namoko iti wahakai ti. Hi tawahakaini na mokoi siti wahakaini ki. Hi tawahakaini na kai tita kai tita kai tita kai tita kai tita kai tina kai tiwa. Hai ki si tina kai tiwa. Hai na mokoi siti ikini kiti wahakaini na i siti na mokoi ti wahakaini kitita. Hai ti wahakai siti na kai tika. Being asked that you are paying attention to the visuals. Nahakaiti, journal. Namokoiti wakaini kiti, draw this vision. Nahakaini kiti takaini, write down the messages that you are receiving. Aikini namo koiti wahakaisi, tinai, ti wahakaini nakaini. Inamokoisi ti wahakaini. Ha, 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 ha. Hai ha ha hai kitina. Ha hai ni hihi tina kaiti. Ha hai ni kiti taha kaini na. Ha kai sitini kiti tawa. Hai kiti tita kai sitina kaiti wa. Hai ki sitini kiti ta kaini tita kaini na kaiti na kaiti. Hai tita kaini na kai sitina kaiti wa. Haini namo koi siti wahakaiti wahakaini kitita. Breathing. Inamo hoko hoko. Haini tita kaini. Hanamo ko itiwa. Hainamo ko isitiwa. Hakaini kitita kaini. Namoko isiti wahakaini kiti. Nakai siti wahakaini kitita. Namoko iti wahakaisi. Hakaini kitita kaini namoko isiti wahaka. Haiti wahakaisi tini kitita. Hai sitini kitita kaini, kitita kaini, kitita kaini, nakaiti tawa. Ha kaini namoko iti wahaka. Hai kinikisiti namoko iti wahaka. Aka, 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 aka. Aka, 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 kai nakaiti wahakaini. Na mokoisi. Na kaisi niki. Haiki siti kiti naka. Haini na mokoiti wakaisi. Na kaisi nikiti takaini. Na mokoiti wakaisi tinikiti wahaka. Haini na mokoiti wahakaisi. Ina kaiti takaini namo. Na kaisi ti wahakaini ki. Hi tawahaka hakai si nikiti takaini. Hakai si tini tawahakai nikiti. Kaini nina kai si tina kai tita. Na mokoi si ti wahaka. Hi nakai titi sikinikiti takaini. Oko, 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 oko. Coco, 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 coco. Ayaka, ayaka, akai nakahita, kai nikiti taka, ahiti. Ahita haiti. Na kaiti takaisi tinamoko. Haini kitita wahakaini na kaisi ti wahakaini na kaiti wa. Haini namo ko iti wahakaini na kaini namoko. Haiki sitini kitita kaini namo koko iti wahakaini na kaisi. Hi iti wahakaini kitita kaini. Na kaiti wa. Na kaiti wahaka. Na kaiti wa. Na isi tiwa kaini naka. Iti wahaka ini na kaiti taka. Ni moko isi tiwa kai kini kiti taka. No ko isi tiwa na kaiti. Taking a few moments to integrate this transmission. Some of you may be curious and hesitant to fully merge or receive the information. It's normal, it's natural. You may be hearing these sounds and this language for the first time, or it may feel very familiar to you. Noticing how you feel, if any emotions came up, noticing how your body feels, noticing and tuning in, reflecting on the images that appeared, if any. Perhaps you heard more sounds. Perhaps it was more of a feeling experience rather than a visual one. I invite you to journal and share if you feel called. Send an email to me via the contact form, or respond to any of my emails that I send to my community. Yes, and now it's complete. The sound, the word, so much is hidden within it. Sound, the word, holds the keys to form the new architecture, form the new temple of our being and our future environments, our future spaces. The forms and the sounds supported the formation of our organs as we grew older into our 21st year, or let's say from age 0 all the way to 14, 20, 21. The sounds, the creative sounds and the forms that are birthed through those sounds are sacred. Sometimes when there are distortions, then those forms don't get formed in the most ideal way. You have the power to be an instrument for spirit, for the sounds, the sacred sounds of this earth and this cosmos. Sound is deeply connected to architecture, and architecture deeply connected with sound. When we have been holding back, hiding our sound, our true sound, our true voice, then we do not build up the forces that are required to nourish ourselves and nourish this planet and nourish the evolution of humanity. These are big visions that I'm speaking about, and you are one who holds a capacity to receive these visions. You are a pioneer. You are a visionary. You are a change agent. Your gifts, your creative gifts, are much needed on this planet. Your spiritual gifts are much needed on this planet. And I invite you to take a bold leap and break free in the spirit of the full moon today of patterns and ways of being that no longer serve you. It's your higher responsibility to take care of your body temple, and this earth. And we don't have enough time it's urgent to wait any longer. Humanity needs you right now to share your gifts. In the last podcast episode, I shared that I am accepting a few dedicated, committed, devoted clients to partner with me in a one-on-one mentoring program. This is a rare and unique opportunity for you to apply the wisdom and knowledge that you've been gathering for so long, perhaps eons of times, and bring it all into a new way of practicing architecture or landscape architecture or interior design. You are hearing the call. Your body is showing you the signs to cross the threshold into this new paradigm, a way of living in your joy, in your abundance, aligned with your soul's mission, your divine calling, while attracting amazing clients, amazing projects, and good money. Enough with the martyrdom, enough with the overworking, the overpleasing. It's time for you to speak your truth and become the instrument for the cosmic blueprints, the sound of the cosmic blueprints to stream through you. I look forward to partnering. Doors close October 6th. I'm adding the application link below, and I can't wait to meet you. Bye-bye.